1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See, my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart, your words safe and darling, but I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing.
In the dark era, people are disconnected by ancient demons. We don't understand each other. We don't love each other and don't help each other as we should. We, the human race, are facing the misunderstood. But we are lucky. There are a group of superheroes, and they are coming to rescue the human race. They are the Connectors. The first of them, the Psychology Witch, Hyan. She's the founder of the team, in charge of researching. She has the powers knowledge and can read the book, which the other teammate cannot. Jamaican cousin Bao Long. She can sell teammate for a piece of cake and pretty good at knowing a place to sell them. The Iron Money, Tridian. She loves the money more than anything in the whole world. Every night, she has in the bag of money and sleep. Design Tall, Jing Chung. Use Photoshop Hammer to showing the team, usually making super ugly pictures. The Unvision Eyes, Furong Ling. She wants it all and know how to get it. She shows the teammate the way to go. The Funny Widow, Sun Quan. He's good at making everyone laugh and feel good, but not exactly do anything for a team. The Elation Hawk, Free Khan. She can angry at everything, everyone, and cross the whole world if you don't like it.
We are here to save the world.
The Connectors, assemble!